This is not what Real Plans is designed for, but it's such super cool functionality that I just need to show it to you. So Real Plans is the official Nutrivore meal planning app. You can learn more at nutrivore.com/realplans or check out my link in profile. With the Nutrivore Score, a quantification of nutrient density built right in. So every recipe in the huge Real Plans recipe library features its Nutrivore Score. So on top of the incredible functionality and personalizability of Real Plans, you can now sort recipes by Nutrivore Score while you're meal planning. But that's not the super cool thing that I want to show you. I want to show you another way to use Real Plans. And that's what I think of as nutrient density tinkering. So you can import your own recipes into Real Plans. And when you do, Real Plans calculates its Nutrivore Score. And you can edit any recipe, not just the ones that you import, but also any recipe in the Real Plans library. And when you do, that will update that recipe's Nutrivore Score. So one thing that you can do with Real Plans is to play with simple swaps and easy additions to boost nutrient density. With Real Plans doing all of the math for you so you can see how those little changes affect the Nutrivore Score of the entire meal. Let me show you an example. Let's say you want to make this grilled peach and steak salad from Real Plans. This is actually one of my recipes, by the way. Bonus, all of my Nutrivore recipes from my website are included with a Real Plans subscription for no additional cost. Okay, this recipe has a Nutrivore score of 332. That's fantastic. But what happens if you were to replace all of the lettuce with spinach instead? Just that one simple swap would increase the Nutrivore score to 446. Now let's say you wanted to replace the steak with smoked salmon. You don't even need as much, so I swapped 1 pound of steak for 8 ounces of smoked salmon. Now the Nutrivore score is 505. Now what happens if you make an easy addition of just 1 cup of white mushrooms to the whole recipe? Now we're up to 521. There's endless possibilities here, and now you get to experiment yourself. So obviously I partnered with Real Plans because they are the best meal planning app out there. And that's why I recommend them. But there's this whole other way to use it instead of or in addition to meal planning to just up your nutrient game. Again, you can learn more about Real Plans at nutrivore.com/realplans or check out my link in profile.